Hey everyone, Sky here with BigBattery. If you watched our installation video for the 48V battery kit, you saw how easy it is to drop in one of our batteries and be on the go. Well, today we're installing the 48V Husky, and this one's even easier. Let's check it out. So we've already dropped in our Husky. Now this is a big battery, so make sure you're setting it down safely on a flat surface in case your golf cart has a segmented battery tray. First, we're going to plug in our SP175 to SP175 cable into our Husky. Then we're going to connect our SP175 to ring terminals cable to our bus bar. Lastly, we're going to connect our cables together, turn our battery on, and that's all there is to it. This battery can take your heavy and complicated lead acid battery bank and reduce it to one incredible battery. I hope this video helped you install your own Husky. And if you want to find out more about how you can take your golf cart, RV, or solar home to the next level, subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit us at BigBattery.com.